Struggling with hormone imbalances? You're not alone. Hey everyone, it's Leroy Brown here, and today we're tackling a topic that affects every single one of us: hormones. These tiny chemical messengers play a huge role in our overall health, influencing everything from our mood and energy levels to our sleep, metabolism, and reproductive health. When our hormones are in balance, we feel fantastic, but when they're out of whack, it can feel like our whole world is turned upside down. The good news is that there are simple, natural things we can do to bring our hormones back into harmony. In this video, I'm sharing 13 powerful tips to help you balance your hormones and reclaim your health. Let's talk about the foundation of hormonal harmony: sleep. When you're getting those solid 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, your body is working like a well-oiled machine, producing the right amount of hormones at the right times. Think of it like this: sleep is when your body's repair crew comes in to reset and recharge everything. One of the most important hormones regulated by sleep is cortisol, often called the stress hormone. Now, we need some cortisol to function properly, but when we're sleep deprived, our cortisol levels can go haywire, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and even weight gain. On the flip side, getting enough sleep allows your body to produce adequate amounts of growth hormone, essential for cell regeneration, muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. So, if you're serious about balancing your hormones, prioritize sleep. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Next up, let's talk about the building blocks of hormones: protein. Just like a house needs strong bricks and mortar, our bodies need enough protein to manufacture and regulate those crucial chemical messengers. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are essential for building and repairing tissues. And guess what? Hormones are made from amino acids too. Eating enough protein throughout the day helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is key for keeping those hunger hormones in check and preventing those dreaded energy crashes. Plus, protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be a game changer when you're trying to maintain a healthy weight. You might be surprised to learn that our gut health plays a significant role in hormone balance. Think of your gut as a second brain. It's home to trillions of bacteria that influence everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immunity and, you guessed it, hormone regulation. When our gut bacteria are out of whack, a condition known as dysbiosis, it can lead to inflammation and disrupt hormone production. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and prebiotic-rich foods like onions into your diet can make a world of difference in supporting a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports healthy hormone balance. Chapter 4. Stress less, live more, taming the hormone beast. Let's be real. We live in a fast-paced world, and stress is practically unavoidable. But here's the thing. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our hormones. When we're constantly stressed out, our bodies go into fight or flight mode, pumping out cortisol like there's no tomorrow. Now, short-term bursts of cortisol are helpful. They give us that extra energy and focus to deal with challenges. But when cortisol levels remain elevated for prolonged periods, it can lead to a whole host of problems, including weight gain, sleep disturbances, mood swings, and even impaired immune function. Mind-body practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing have been shown to reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation. Chapter 5. Weight matters. Finding your healthy balance. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for hormone balance. Our hormones work in a delicate dance, and even small fluctuations in weight can disrupt this intricate balance. Excess body fat, especially around the midsection, can lead to increased production of estrogen, a hormone that, in excess, can increase the risk of certain cancers and other health issues. On the other hand, being underweight can also interfere with hormone production, particularly for women, potentially leading to irregular periods and fertility problems. The key takeaway here is that finding a healthy weight for your body type and lifestyle is essential for maintaining hormonal harmony. We all love a sweet treat now and then, but consuming too much sugar can send our hormones on a roller coaster ride. When we eat sugary foods, our blood sugar levels spike, triggering a surge in insulin, the hormone responsible for ushering sugar into our cells for energy. Over time, consistently high insulin levels can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where our cells become less responsive to insulin signals, increasing the risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. By reducing our intake of sugary drinks, processed snacks, and refined carbohydrates, we can help stabilize our blood sugar levels and create a more balanced hormonal environment. Fat facts: the good, the bad, and the hormonal. Not all fats are created equal, and when it comes to hormone balance, choosing the right fats is key. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, are essential for hormone production, cell function, and overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular have potent anti-inflammatory properties and have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce stress hormones, and support healthy mood regulation. So make sure you're getting enough of those hormone-loving healthy fats while limiting your intake of unhealthy fats to support optimal hormone balance. Chapter 8. Move your body, balance your hormones. Regular physical activity isn't just good for our physical health, it's a powerful tool for balancing our hormones too. Exercise helps to improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. It helps to regulate cortisol levels, reducing stress and improving mood. And it boosts our metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight, all of which contribute to a more balanced hormonal environment. Whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, biking, or simply taking a brisk walk, find what moves you and make it a habit. Chapter 9. Fiber up, the hormone balancing nutrient. You're probably not getting enough of. Fiber is often overlooked, but it's a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to hormone balance. This indigestible plant matter acts like a broom in our digestive tract, sweeping away waste and toxins and promoting regularity. Fiber helps to slow down sugar absorption, preventing those rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes that can wreak havoc on our hormones. So how do we get more fiber into our diets? It's all about loading up on those plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of fiber. Chapter 10. Lights out. The surprising impact of light on hormones. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with artificial light from our phones, computers, TVs, and even streetlights. While this constant exposure to light might seem harmless, it can actually interfere with our natural sleep-wake cycle and disrupt our hormone balance. Our bodies produce melatonin, the sleep hormone, in response to darkness. When we're exposed to light at night, it suppresses melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine that includes dimming the lights, putting away electronic devices at least an hour before bed, and making sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Chapter 11. Portion control, the art of eating for hormone harmony. We've all been there, those times when we mindlessly munch through a bag of chips or polish off an entire pizza without even realizing it. While occasional indulgences are perfectly fine, consistently overeating can throw our hormones out of whack. When we overeat, our bodies release a surge of insulin to deal with the influx of glucose or sugar from our food. Over time, this constant overproduction of insulin can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. Chapter 12. Butt out, kicking the habit for hormone health. Smoking is harmful to our health in countless ways, and it turns out that our hormones aren't immune to its toxic effects. Nicotine, the addictive substance in cigarettes, disrupts hormone production and balance throughout the body. For example, smoking can interfere with the production of estrogen, potentially leading to irregular periods, early menopause, and fertility problems in women. It can also lower testosterone levels in men, affecting libido, energy levels, and muscle mass. The good news is that quitting smoking, no matter how long you've been smoking, can have significant positive impacts on your hormone health and overall well-being. Chapter 13. Alcohol and hormones, finding the right balance. Let's be honest, a glass of wine with dinner or a beer with friends can be enjoyable, but it's important to be mindful of our alcohol consumption, as excessive drinking can disrupt our delicate hormone balance. Alcohol can interfere with the production and regulation of hormones in the liver, which is responsible for metabolizing alcohol and regulating hormone levels. Heavy alcohol consumption can lead to increased estrogen levels in both men and women, potentially increasing the risk of certain cancers and other health issues. It can also lower testosterone levels in men, affecting libido, energy levels, and muscle mass. While moderate alcohol consumption might not pose significant risks for most people, excessive drinking can definitely throw our hormones out of whack. Thank you for being willing to listen and watch. I hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your hormone health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually add more as you go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Also follow Leroy A. Brown at leroyabrown.ca.